Good day everyone. Today in this video we'll be talking on sword, and what we'll be talking about sword is we'll talk about the simplification of sword, the addition and subtraction of sword, and the multiplication of sword. So now let's first start the simplification of sword. Now for us to start the simplification of sword, let's use this example. Said by putting n equals to 16 and n equals to 9. This is the question we are given. So they said we should find. One mn. We have to find mn and root n multiplied by root n. Now, first of all, let's go with the first example, which is root n. Our n is 16, so equals to root 16 multiplied by our n is what? Our n is 9. So equals to, now 16 multiplied by 9 is what? 144. Yeah, is root 144. So square root of 144 will now be what? Will now be 12. That's how to get the first one. The second one, which is root n multiplied by root n. Our m is what? Our m is 16 multiplied by our n is what? Our n is 9. So it will now be square root of 16 will give us 4 multiplied by square root of 9 will give us 3. So 4 times 3 now will give us 12. So now this simplification of sword. Let's do one more examples. Let's do one more examples. Let's say we are given root. Let's say we are given root 25 multiplied by root 16. It will just be square root of 25 will give us 5 multiplied by square root of 16 will give us 4 equals to 5 times 4 is 20. So that's how to solve for the simplification of sword. So these are further examples on the simplification of sword. So now let's solve it. For us to solve this kind of question, we are going to look for one numbers that we can square root and another number that we cannot be able to square root. So if we look at this very well, we will see that we can use 9 times 5, whereby we can square root 9, but we cannot square root 5. And let's go. That's root 9 times 5 will give us 45, and we can square root 9, we cannot square root 5. So to get it, now we bring it out. Root 9 multiplied by root 5 is still the same thing. So now square root of 9 is what? Is 3 times root 5. This is not the answer because there's an invisible one here. So we are going to multiply the 3 with 1. And why 3 times 1 is 3 root 5. So now let's go to the other question. Root 150. So now, like I said the other time, I said we are going to look for one number that we can square root and another number that we cannot square root. So how can we get from 150? We can use 25 multiplied by 6. Am I right? Yes, we can use this. Whereby you can square root 25, but you cannot square root 6. So now let's write it how we did the first one. That's root 25 multiplied by root 6. So square root of 25 is 5 multiplied by root 6. There's an invisible one here, like I said in number 3 question. So 5 times 1 will give you 5 root 6. This is the answer for this one. So now let's move to number 5. Let's move to number 5. Our number 5 question seems to be hard. 3 root 75. Okay, so for us to do this one, they've given us one root out, they've given us one whole number outside the root, and they also gave us root. So how are we going to do it? We're going to do it like this. 3 roots. We're going to look for two numbers, one that you square root and the other one that you don't square root, for you to get 75. And we can use 25 multiplied by 3, because 25 times 3 is 75. So now 3 root 25 multiplied by root 3, like I did here, it's still the same thing. So now 3 square root of 25 is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by root 3. 3 times 5 is 15 multiplied by root 3. There's an invisible one here, so we multiply our 15 with 1. So 15 times 1 is 15 root 3. That's the answer.